In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get points on the Binance Rewards Hub with a simple daily check-in process. Throughout this video, I'll guide you step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do to maximize your rewards in just a few minutes each day. First, you'll want to start by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you have it up and running, navigate to the Rewards Hub section. This is where all your earning activities will take place, so it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the hub's layout and features. By doing so, you set yourself on the right path to accumulated rewards with ease. Once you're inside the Rewards Hub, make it a point to check in daily. This habit is the simplest way to begin earning free points. The process is effortless. Simply logging in and checking in each day ensures that your point balance continues to grow. It's like a digital routine that rewards your consistency, and missing a day might mean you lose out on potential points. Beyond the daily check-in, the Rewards Hub offers various simple tasks that can help you earn even more points. These tasks could include making trades, referring friends to Binance, or even participating in fun quizzes. Completing these tasks not only provides you with additional points but also boosts your engagement with the platform. These tasks are designed to be straightforward and rewarding, encouraging more interaction and usage of the app's features. You'll be pleased to know that after completing each of these tasks, points are added to your account automatically. There's no need for extra steps or confirmations. This seamless integration means you can focus on completing tasks without any hassle, trusting that your points will be updated in real time. Now, with all these points amassed, you might wonder what to do with them. Binance allows you to use your accumulated points to redeem exciting crypto vouchers or unique coupons. This feature gives your earned points tangible benefits, letting you explore the vast possibilities of cryptocurrency with the rewards you've diligently collected. The redemption process is simple and serves as a gratifying way to see the fruits of your consistent check-ins and task completions. To summarize, this routine of opening the Binance app, navigating to the Rewards Hub and participating in daily check-ins, along with completing various tasks, can significantly boost your points. The ease with which points are credited to your account and their redemption for valuable crypto-related rewards makes this a must-do activity for anyone looking to make the most out of their Binance experience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find these tips helpful for maximizing your rewards on Binance. Happy earning!